Hi everyone. So I'm recording this session today because we had 2 days training on simply indicators, and so I'm sorry for not making this live analysis for this weekend. Okay, but I'm going to make this video and will share it with you in some time. Okay, so let's start with the analysis. So what we had seen last week, okay, in Nifty, Diamond Index, and we saw it breaching even 13,440. Okay, now the next resistance is around 13,700. Okay, we saw that it did bounce, above this levels. Bank Nifty also is still resisting around this levels, and it is now between 3,600 and 3,900. So it has also crossed 3,300, and it's about 30,000. So now this levels is where it is resisting. So 3,600 is where we are right now on Bank Nifty as well. IT sector did saw some boom last week, as we had seen also on the analysis date. FMCG has turned out to be golden and it is doing good, right? We saw even FMCG sector doing good, and one of our good stock which we had recommended, Hindustan Unilever, it hit the target of 100 points, right? Nifty Auto also did good. We had a good trade on Maruti as well. It went higher and might have, if you would have traded it, you would have still made some money in that. Pharma sector again, we had a trade on DRR which got triggered at 5,000 and it went till 5,100. So almost 100 points it also had, and I think if you were trading it, you would have got even a good returns there, right? We had ACC short which got triggered and it also hit the target. So even this did good. So even the short trade, it's not only when the market is booming, right? We also saw how ACC short triggered and it gave us the money. Reliance triggered about 2,000 and it also went to almost in 2048, and I think we had traded to 2030. So again, 30 rupees made in Reliance as well, right? Escort we did saw because it didn't trigger much. Liver was the hero that we saw. It triggered and it went about on 2340. So this gave almost 100 points. Again, Hdfc Bank triggered and even hit the stop loss. So this one which went bad, right? And TCS also triggered about 2780. It went to 2850. So almost 70 points up from where we had said to be bought, right? And Dr. Reddy again, as I said, 5,000 above, and it did, it has not hit the stop loss, but we have traded it out. Okay, so because it went more than 100 points above our buy levels, and we have booked the profits even in this stock as well, right? So now let's start fresh in this week. What we can expect from markets. So let's go to Nifty first. Okay, so Nifty has got two side-by-side dojis and it shows some panicking at the upper band. Okay, so this is where it is. So either we might cross 30,000 or 13,600 because that is where it is. 599 is where it is resisting. Okay, or let's see what it does. So 13,599 is the resistance right now, and if it crosses that, we might see more upside on it. Weekly, there is a band walk, so no worries at all. It's at all-time high. Monthly is at upper band resistance, right? So currently monthly is around upper band resistance, and we need now it to go above it. So will it do that? See, for an index to walk on a band is very rare. See this, entire rarely it has not done that, right? So this is where we are right now, even on Nifty, but it is at all-time high. So we need to see what it does here. It has crossed 60 with a bang, okay, and it is above this level as well right now. Okay, so there is no bearishness as well right now, and it looks good. Okay, so let's understand what it can do from here now. So the coming week will tell us what Nifty can do. Will it resist upper band on monthly or will it break above? Okay, so that is one thing. Second thing is you should expect it to at least come down to this for the CIP. Okay, so if it comes for CIP, it will be still a good thing because then it will start a fresh rally. Right now, it has not been retraced at all, and this is where it is. And if it comes down to even this level, it is at 38% retracement. Okay, so let's see whether it does that or not in this week. Okay, so my expectations are we might see some retracement. Okay, looking at the monthly chart. Okay, so let's see whether it retraces or it breaks above. So two things is possible. Okay, weekly is still looking good because it's still band walk. Okay, and daily has got two dojis side by side. So this is the concern right now I'm sharing because dojis means indecisive and there is two dojis means still the decision is not made. So whether if it breaks the low, you can then expect some correction in the market till 13,150. Okay, so that is where you should be looking at it. Okay, so support I'll still mention it as 13,150. This are still there, and since we are now around 500, okay, so 13,400 can also act as a support, and I'll remove this right now. Okay, still it's a diamond index. Okay, 13,600 is the resistance. Okay, I will make this to 13,880. Okay, maybe, and 40,000. That's a round number. Okay, diamond index. Dojis daily continues at bank resistance. Okay, so this is where with respect to Nifty. Let's see Bank Nifty now. So Bank Nifty also has got two dojis. So both the indices, what are they up to? Right, let's see that. So resisting upper band and also the gap. So this gap needs to be filled. If this gap is filled in this week, then there is nothing stopping it out of 31,600 and then the new high. Okay, so this looks fantastic. Ah, this is the showstopper or will it cross? Okay, आग का दरिया है कूद के जाना है कूद गया इधर से तो ये ऊपर में आ जाएगा और ये 36,000 35,000 के ऊपर है so इसका तो बहुत टाइम है okay so let's see what it does here so Nifty is at upper band resistance this is at 60 resistance let's see what market does here okay mainly we might see if this trend line is broken so this is a very good trend line it has been holding so far. If this trend line breaks, we might see some correction till some level. Okay, so you have multiple support here. Okay, so first level of support is the trend line 30,000. Okay, 30,000 के नीचे आएगा तो 29,800 है. Okay, that is where the support lies 21,600. So there is few levels here till before we reach 28,800. Okay. So Bank Nifty daily, weekly above 60, weekly band above, monthly shows could break out of resistance approaching 16, right? So resistance is fine, and daily also daily dual dojis either भी हुई है dual dojis. So this is where we are. Resistance is now 3630. That is where we are resisted. Okay, and 3908 where we resisted as well. Okay, so let it be crossed. Then 31,100 is the resistance. Now, support, if we are searching, let's see where is the support. Support is 20,200, which I'll just keep as 30,000. Okay, so 30,000 is one support, 29,700 is second support, that is fine. 29,700 is moving average. Okay. And then 29,100 as well. So 29,200. So this is fine. I'm not going to alter this at all. Okay. So this is fine for us. Let's look into the sectorial Sectorial is here, so we'll see now IT. What is it up to? Oh, Nifty IT. Okay, daily is looking good about this. It's a CIP. Holy papa, at all-time high. So it's an all-time high CIP maybe. We need to see what the things of IT are going to do. See this. And I don't see anything gadbadi here. No gadbadi here. Oh, is there any gadbadi here? There is some gadbadi here. There is a bearish divergence setup though. But this bearish divergence setup is between multiple candles. It's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 bar. Okay, so there's a 10 bar bearish divergence confirms only if this line is broken. Okay, so below this you go short on IT stocks. Okay, so we have to see what it does. But I think it is fine. And oh, monthly तो ये diamond बन गया है. Diamond biscuit, diamond biscuit, diamond biscuit. Oh, it's a diamond index now. Okay, so golden sector no more. We have one diamond sector already, and there is another diamond sector here. So diamond sector now again. Okay, diamond sector daily at 60 support, 9 daily above 60, and weekly shows breakout of flag. Monthly bandwidth at all-time high. So the daily bounced from 60 here already. Daily at CIP on previous all-time high. ATH is all-time high. Okay, so that's where it is, and weekly shows breakout of flag. So this is where Nifty IT is. Sweet papa. Okay, so now if the flag continues, we might see some good breakout. So about this, let's see. What does it come down? Okay. So now let us mention as well as 10 bar setup. Okay. Now let's see FMCG. So let's see infra fatafat. Infra has got nothing. Dojis on the way. Okay, nothing on this, and it's gone almost till the all-time high resistance. No, all-time high for the area. But there's not much resistance here, and here it is at upper band resistance and crossing 60. Oh, so infra is also looking good so far. It might break out on this. Let's see. It's about 60, so whether it resists 60 and upper band or use a breakout. See, everything has got a flag set up by the everything starts moving up. Nifty will touch 15,000 in no time. ऐसा लग रहा है ये तो, लेकिन ऐसा होगा क्या? That is what we have to wait and watch. Right. Let's see FMCG. Oh, it's a diamond. Diamond biscuit with a breakout. Okay. Oh, बाप रे. Oh, क्या है ये? बाप रे. ये तो भागते ही जा रहा है भाई. ये भी डायमंड हो गया है. गोल्डन नहीं, डायमंड. अरे भाई, डायमंड सेक्टर 60 took support. बैंड वॉक. बैंड वॉक. अरे बाप रे, ऑल टाइम फ्रेम अब ये तो भाई पगला गया लगता है. मूविंग टूवर्ड्स रेजिस्टेंस लेवल्स के. सब लोग खाली रेक्सोन और लक्स खरीद रहे हैं हिंदुस्तान लेने के बाद, ऐसा लग रहा है। ऑटो में देखते भी, ऑटो में जाने का पैसा मिलेगा या गाड़ी खरीदने को मिलेगा। अच्छा तो फार्मा है तो फार्मा देख लेते हैं। ओके, नो वरीज, फार्मा is now running up as well. Now let's see whether it goes above the band. फार्मा भी नियर टू ऑल टाइम हाई पहुंच गया है, धीरे धीरे धक्का मारते मारते। दोस्त अपना, ओहो, दोस्त अपना 60 पे डोजी एंड अपर बैंड रेजिस्टेंस। ओके, वीकली पे रेजिस्टेंस पे डोजी है, so we need to see what it does here now. Daily at 60 support, so this is good news. It is at CIP and 60 support and things. So let's write down golden sector तो है ये बेचारा। daily band walk above 60 nowhere, now daily at 60 support, weekly breakout of wedge and monthly confirmation of PRD। अरे बाप रे, मंथली PRD है इसमें, धूम मचाएगा। मतलब वीकली ब्रेकआउट ऑफ वेज, और एक चीज दिखी थी हमने, कहा देखी थी, डोजी वीकली ब्रेकआउट ऑफ वेज, बट नाउ इट इज नो मोर येट। वीकली डोजी एट अपर बैंड resistance. Okay, so this is where it is. And it's a golden sector, all time frame above 60, so not a bad. Now let's go to the Nifty Auto. दवाई खा लिया, अब ऑटो में बैठो। Let's see how auto weekly is still band walk with a black candle. Oh, this is beyond gap support. क्या करेगा तू बबुआ? 60 resistance. See, this is the reason why Maruti dropped, because auto sector was resisting 60. So this is main culprit of the entire thing. Okay, so let's see what to do. A monthly approaching 60 as well as resistance of 9600. 9600 को touch नहीं कर पाया। 9600 is these. By the way, this is 9600 as well as upper band. So this is where it is stopping. ये कूदेगा तो मारुति भी 10,000 दिखाएगा। Okay, let's see. So this is doji at upper band resistance and RSI 80 plus, weekly breakout and monthly approaching 60 as well. So now monthly is resisting, weekly is a band walk, daily at gap support. Let me see this. पूरी बाबा पीआरडी भी है इसमें, 69वां और 71वां नहीं, ये कहाँ है? नहीं नहीं, there is something, but let's not count it for now. Daily did have upper band resistance, so it has fall from there. So daily at gap support. Okay, weekly breakout band walk, monthly approaching 60 and resistance. So this way it's keep as is. Okay, so indices we have done. Now let's see stocks. Okay, so let's start with the key stocks out here. So let's see ACC. So ACC is at 40 support on daily, price support on as well, weekly, weekly at 60 support. Okay, and this is bad. बुरा लड़का है, बुरा लड़का है, बुरा है. This is resistance 60, 40. 60 के ऊपर होता तो ये अच्छा ट्रेड था. Straight up like this. जहाँ पे उसको बेचा था ना उधर हम खरीदेंगे अभी. 1640 पे खरीदेंगे. अगर गया तो 1620 का स्टॉप लॉस. ओके इसका 1612 है ना. Okay, 1610 should be the stop loss. You can revise it if it bounces again. I7 and target is going to be 1695. So this is your target. And let's see. और कुछ जल रहा है क्या? शराब रहा है क्या? Asian Paint I wanted to see as well. So Asian Paint, there's nothing that we can trade here. It's a doji now. That's too high. It's too high. It's a diamond stock by the way. Look at the rate is moving. Okay. It's a good breakout script about 2250. Okay, so now let's see Reliance. Okay, so Reliance क्या दिखा रहा है? So Reliance has a doji at upper band resistance. We need it to cross this. Okay, so it should cross this. Weekly, okay, weekly it is bouncing, but it is resisting these levels. But mention 2050 because this is where it is. So Reliance, gap resistance. So this is what it is resisting, my friend. So that is the reason why 47 was the high. Okay, but it's at 60 support. So let's see what it does here. Maybe I will avoid any trade on this right now. He is right now resisting this level, see 7775 actually. Above that, it might rush back, and this is where it got resisted also 8000. तो भी doji का high देखो क्या है? 7950. So we need it to cross this doji's high. Okay, so ये cross किया तो then only it will go further up. And by the way, it's also resisting. Look at the RSI on monthly. It's approaching 60. Weekly, it is trying to come down, and so there is where the resistance is. Shooting star here and my shooting star here. So better to get out. And this is the flag setup. So whether it goes to this flag or makes a badminton net, we don't know. It can be on the upside where it might go till 8500 or might break down. So we need to now see what market does tomorrow to this stock. Okay, so I would say neutral. Okay, short below 7650 for almost 7300. Buy only above this high. Hmm. So Maruti and we'll be dealing with the about this. Daily order banning. Daily flag setup. And monthly and resistance of this. Next target this rate. And entry bottom of this. Okay. So now what we will do is we will have two trades here. Buy plus. Okay, so 200 points is here. Target and short. Seven, so that's good. Let's see. So Maruti has got two trades now. ACC has got a buy now. Okay, so we got two trades now. Let's look into the other thing. Scotch, I think it is not triggered or it's not done anything. 1365. So, okay, short. Okay, so it is already 1365. Short below this is still not come. Okay, so this is still there. This one there. Okay, so short is still not triggered. Okay. That's something. Let's change this now. Short below this, right? Short below this. This is 1430. इतना जरूरत ही नहीं है ना. Keep it as 385 itself. And then it crosses the lower band again on the upside. Diamond stock. With this is no more diamond stock. Okay. So buy above. ये बराबर ये buy तो इसके ऊपर ही होना चाहिए इसका. Okay, it's got a place divergence and confirming on that. So if it goes short above, so I think let's see what it does. Okay. So as what we just have buy above is fine. Rest all is okay. Okay. Let's look at Apollo tire. It has got good bounce back. So weekly it is band walk approaching resistance now. Okay. This is a good. It has got a volume. So nothing much here, nothing much here. Okay, so Apollo tire is at resistance as well, and at 60 array auto itself is at resistance, and all the auto stocks are coming at monthly 60 resistance, right? There can be some retracement in auto stocks now. right? So let's see. So auto में ये भी देखा. Then let's look at Hero MotoCorp. अपना Hero MotoCorp में बोलता है it is at resistance. It is at 60 resistance again. Okay. Weekly also 60 resistance and daily also around 60 resistance. Okay, so one of the strategy of RSI. Okay, it's resistance. I think it's a short trade here, and I think I had that ready while I was training today. So I will keep it here along with it. So seems we might have some fall in the market. Let's do some reversal short below this. I sell of this, and this is the target. Let's see. Okay. That's the reason. So auto sector we saw tires Balakrishna. Let's see, Mr. Balakrishna. What are you up to? Okay, let's see that. Balakrishna Industries. Oh, 60 support so far. Not bad. See, this is making something which is very interesting. Huh? And I love this. This is called as a sending wedge. ये zoom करके गिरेगा कभी ना कभी गिरेगा या तो 1700 के ऊपर जाएगा या तो यहाँ से गिरना चालू करेगा. And I think what is it doing here? Let's see. Same thing. Doji पे doji. Okay. Doji पे doji. पे doji. मतलब क्या करेगा ये मालूम नहीं. Either it's a flag setup here. Okay. Either it's a flag setup here or will come down. Let's see what it does. Monthly is a doji so far on. Okay. इस पे भी कुछ नहीं है. Okay, so now let's see the FMCG sectors. Let's see Unilever. Mr. Unilever. This looks good. This is approaching monthly approaching upper band. Okay, so let's see whether it crosses the upper band and goes above it. So 2400 is approaching for sure. This is beautiful. Look at this. This is really powerful. But RSI is too far. Okay, so you need to wait for some retracement. Okay, so let's see. I don't think any trade right now on this. RSI is too high. Okay, so you can't trade this. I will not enter into any trade on Hindustani Unilever. You see the trade, right? It is too high. 80 is the RSI. Not advisable. Okay, then let's see anything else that we see on it. Okay. Asian Paints. Asian Paint is also in the same boat. It is at the all-time high. Diamond stock. कहीं पे भी एंट्री नहीं है, दूर दूर तक एंट्री नहीं है इसमें. Okay. Let's see Bosch. Oh, Bosch is broken 60 and there is also rebar. There is divergence. One of the powerful divergence. Resistance and short below this for a target of this. Weekly resisted 60 and monthly is still resisting 12 MA or 20 MA. Okay, so Bosch also can be one trade. Okay, so lever is done. I will remove it. Bosch is another trade. Okay, so I'm putting that up now. So Bosch looks good to short if it breaks 13,100. Short at this 400, 500 ऐसे क्या होगा ऊपर कैसे हो गया? High is 400. Okay. 132 बराबर है 130 नीचे शॉर्ट करो बराबर तो सब टारगेट सेक्शन 600 points versus 300 points. Okay, you can get it. So first target is 680, 690, and then 500. Okay, so Bosch looks good to be shorted. Okay, let's see the other stocks. Now let's go to the finance sector. Hdfc Bank. What is it doing? Oh, Htfc Bank has come below the 12 MA, 20 MA again, and it resisted 60. Oh, this is the bad news for the bank Nifty. Okay, so it seems to be also following a trend line. Okay, so either it will give a breakout on this trend line, okay, or it will come for support again. So this does not looks good. Okay, so HDFC Bank is not looking that good right now. It's approaching doji at 60 maybe. So let's see what it does. Okay. Maybe for 60 support on monthly. Okay, so it's coming for range shift and then we'll pick up. Let's see. Okay, so HDFC Bank. I don't see a trade right now onto it. Let's see. Axis Bank. It is still to fill the gap on weekly, so I'm trying. See the wire again this month also it resisted. So this week also it is on the same. Still there is a flag setup here. Okay, so still the flag remains. So let's see whether it goes above this or not. Okay, so this still is not there. Good. ICICI Bank. Let's see what it has to do. Oh, ICICI Bank has got a 5-bar bearish divergence. Yes, a 5-bar bearish divergence at upper band resistance as well. Outside, inside as well. And this is fine. It's a band walk with nothing here, so it's okay. Okay. So weekly is fine. Weekly is closed the gap and gone above, but this is where it is resisting. So ICICI is resisting and it's just closing, crossing 60. So let's see whether on monthly basis it crosses 60 or it falls back. Okay, so there is a bearish divergence setup even on ICICI Bank. Okay, this shows some bearishness here. Whether it confirms or not, we need to see. Now, confirmation के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? आपका एक ट्रेंड लाइन जरूरी है. तो शॉर्ट ओनली बिलो 504, 505, 505 के नीचे शॉर्ट कीजिए. 518 का स्टॉप लॉस. 490 is the first target, and maybe 474, 475 can be expected. Okay, so ICICI Bank also looking bad. Now I'm going to remove this HDFC Bank as well. Let's not trade anything. Bajaj Finance. Let's see that now. Finance क्या बोलता है? Oh, everything is at a standstill right now. This means that we might see some retracement. Okay, and see this resistance at all-time high. Okay, so even Bajaj Finance does not appeal me much. Okay, resistance is all-time high and may become for some 60 support, first 60 support after the crossing. So range shift possibility can bring some correction in the market. Okay, so now let's see TCS. Aha, all-time high. So rising. The rising star is rising again. Oh, yes, it's still okay and still can be bought above the same price. So, 2815, okay, nothing here wrong. Okay, so okay, it's at 60 support as well. CIP as well. So TCS can be a buy again. Okay, so you buy now. Okay, so TCS buy now changes to 2820 for more this thing. Daily crossing weekly looks bullish. Okay, SL would be low can is 2773. Oh, it's too far. You cannot keep stop loss. Okay, what is this? 2785. 2785. And target can be 2851 and maybe okay. Target can be 2860. 40 points and 85 points. I think this right now it's a triggers then I think 95 can be fine. तो ट्रिगर होने के बाद अगर 25 पॉइंट नीचे गया तो फायदा क्या है? It should not trigger also. And trading about this. So TCS is okay. Let's see. Infi is more better than that, but Infi is also at 60 support. Oh, so IT is at support and CIB as well. This is looking good. I can those shooting star on time frame daily approaching 60. अरे ये क्या है? I think IT will have to flourish and support Nifty. Right, so this is looking good on all time frames. What is Wipro doing? Wipro is not doing anything. Totally no useless fellow. You see, I think there is something here. 69 and 69. 69.21, 69.19. There is a 5-hour PRD setup on Wipro. Okay, so not sure. Let's wait for it. I will not suggest any trade right now. Let it confirm because it confirmed will be easy. It's a good squeeze also on daily. So above 365 only you can buy and see this is where it is. This is the problem here. See the gap. This buying is only about 378. I would not do anything. Janado. Okay. So now let's see for DRR and the company. So DRR is resisting 60 on daily. This is the sad news of this company, and that is the reason why it is resisting 5100. Okay, so buy only about 5125 or 5130. Just crossing this, so either it's trying to make a morning star. Let's see. So this looks good. So here you can still have a buy. dollar has got a flag setup, by the way. So that's why the target is first target is that, and then we can see where it goes where. Okay. And let's see the other things. सिप्ला क्या बोलता है? सिप्ला कुछ नहीं बोलता. वीकली क्या बोलता है? वीकली also कुछ नहीं बोलता. So this is not looking good. So Sigma is not looking that good. Lupin is doing what? Nothing on daily. Weekly also sideways, resisting it, and it's a short actually on Lupin. Sorry, it's a short of Lupin actually. Okay, weekly resisting 20 MA, and this might come till almost this level. Not sure. So let's avoid. It's resisting 60 for sure now. Right, and I think that's it. Okay, so we'll share with you all the write-up as well as we'll put it to you the video on YouTube. Right, so sorry, I might be a little low on voice as well because I've been speaking throughout the day today. Right, so if you're not able to hear it clearly, at least go through the summary. So I'm just showing you the summary here, slowly scrolling it down so that you can read it. Okay, and I'll also share with you on the group. Okay, so this is the summary. So these are the trades right now. Right, so this is the trade. This is the reviews on the indices. We have multiple indices on Diamond Index. So Nifty, Nifty IT, Nifty FMCG are all diamond right now. Okay, so that is where it is. So thank you all. And we'll have a live session on next Sunday for sure. So thanks. Bye.